In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an AI tool to Notion using MCP or an integration. To get started, open Notion and prepare the page or database you want the AI tool to access. This is an important first step because the connection will only be useful if the content you need is already organized and available inside your workspace. If needed, take a moment to confirm that the page, database, or notes you want to use are clearly named so they'll be easier to find later when testing the connection. Next, go to your Notion MCP or integration settings. This is where Notion lets you manage connections between your workspace and external tools. Depending on the setup you're using, this area may be labeled as integrations, connections, or MCP settings, but the goal is the same. You're preparing Notion to communicate securely with your AI app. Once you're there, choose the AI app or MCP compatible tool you want to connect. Make sure you're selecting the correct tool, especially if you use more than one AI platform. Choosing the right connection here ensures that the assistant you plan to use will be the one that can request access to your Notion content. After that, authorize the connection. This step allows Notion and the AI tool to recognize each other and work together. As you do this, pay attention to what kind of access is being requested. It's always a good idea to review permissions carefully so you understand exactly what the tool will be able to read or use. Then select the workspace or specific pages the MCP can access. This part matters because access is usually not automatic for everything in Notion. If you only want the AI to use certain notes, projects, or databases, this is where you define that scope. Giving access only to the content you actually need also helps keep things organized and secure. Now open your AI tool and enable the Notion MCP connection from that side as well. In many cases, the connection needs to be turned on both in Notion and inside the AI app before it works properly. Look for settings related to tools, integrations, or connected apps. Once everything is enabled, test the setup by asking the AI to search for or read content from Notion. Start with something simple, like asking it to find a page title or summarize a database entry. This helps confirm that the connection is active and that the right content is available. If the AI can't access the correct page, go back and adjust the permissions. Usually this means the connection is working, but the specific page or workspace hasn't been shared correctly. Update, access, test again, and you should be ready to go.